Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to stream Peacock on Discord. So first of all, open your Peacock and make sure to log in into your account, and now go to your Discord and click on the server where you want to stream your Peacock and click on voice channels. Make sure to allow and click on share your screen. And all you have to need, just select the application or tab where you are watching your Peacock. And if you want to share your Peacock audio also, then you have to take this option, share tab audio, and then click on share. And as you can see, I've successfully started to stream my Peacock on Discord. And to stop the streaming, click on this stop streaming. And that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.